Hello guys, my name is Michal Hucko and welcome to another video of our Pandas tutorial. In this video we're gonna talk about writing the result data frame into the file. In the first video of this course I show you how to read the data frame from the file, and in this video we're gonna write the results into the file. Now this video will be very short because there is not too much to talk about in this topic. So let's jump right into the Jupyter lab. As you can see, first I'm reading the dataset the same way as I was doing for the rest of these videos in this course. Now, to save a file, there is a built-in method for the data frame called toCSV. And running this toCSV will end up writing the data frame into the file called output.csv. Please remember that the target location, when you are not specifying the full path, is always the place where you are running the Jupyter notebook. So in this case, it will be the Jupyter Pandas Python Pandas directory, which I'm running as a home directory for this project, right? So if I run this, I will have here the output CSV presented for me. If I open it, you can see that there was created this one extra column. This is basically the index column, and you can just simply get rid of this column by specifying the parameter index false. This will cause that the index will disappear. There are a couple of other parameters connected with the toCSV function. So for example, you can skip writing the header, or you can specify even your own separator for the data in the CSV format. As I mentioned previously, it's up to you what is the separator between data, but it's quite common because from the name CSV, the comma separated values, that the comma is used as a default separator for toCSV function. So if I run it like this, you will see that the output CSV in this case will be changed. Yeah, it's changed. So as you can see, there is none of the previously mentioned column for the for the index, and if I just split it across this, you will see that that it's the same file without the header. Fine. So this was just the function toCSV. Of course, there are a couple of other built-in methods used for writing the result data frame into any other file. For example, you can directly transform your data frame into a dictionary. Please, by running this with the big data set, this can take some quite time. And please be aware that this is outputting the results immediately to your console. So having a 1 million row data frame, I highly recommend to assign it to a value and wait a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, depends on your processing power of your computer. You can also save the data frame to an Excel, to HTML, to JSON, or to SQL. Well, there is a range of options of the data types which you can file directly at the documentation of the Pandas, which I highly recommend you to read. Okay guys, this was just a simply summarization of how you can write your work into the file. CSV files are quite common, so being able to work with the CSV files properly is a toolkit of a professional data scientist. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video about writing. I hope I will see you in the next video.